Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change video background using InShot Video Editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create a new project on InShot by clicking on this video option, and then I'm going to select new, and we can choose a background for our video. I'm going to use video from InShot material as the background of my video. I'm going to select background, for example, and I'm going to choose this background. Okay, I'm going to add it to my project, and wait guys, I'm going to change the canvas. All right, and we're going to add our video. We want to change the background. We can click on PIP and then choose the video you want to change the background. Wait guys, I'm going to select video from this download folder. Okay, for example, this video, I'm going to change the background of this video. We can click on this autofill button to fit the screen like this. And wait, I'm going to cut the video. Okay, and then before we change the background, we need to remove the background of this video. Tap on your video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active, and then you can simply click on the cutout menu. Okay, and here you can automatically remove the background of your video. Just select the cutout. Okay, and now the cutout is complete. As you can see that the background of this video has been changed, and you can also use the chroma feature if your video is a green screen video. If your video is a green screen video, you can select chroma, and then you can place the circle to the green screen, and then the green screen will be removed from your video. But my video is not green screen, so I'm using the cutout feature to automatically remove the background of my video. Okay, and just remember guys that this cutout feature can only be applied to the human body. Okay, that's easy, right? And once you're ready to export it, you just need to click on export, and then you can choose the resolution, and then just click on export to save the video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change video background using InShot Video Editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.